Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your hosting plan in Hostinger. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, just go to Billing from the top. Next to the hosting plan you want to upgrade, click on this little arrow. Then click on Upgrade. Under Upgrade to, from this drop-down menu, select the hosting plan you want to upgrade to. They give you a little comparison. After that, click on Complete Upgrade Payment button. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.